This is a 2018 Kia Soul. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I'm going to show you how to turn on the overhead ceiling lights as well as turn them off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to it, press that button, the lights turn on. Okay, now to turn them off, I'm just going to press them again. All right, now there is some options right here. You can actually have the lights turn on with the door, and that's his door button right here. You see that? Currently it is off. See, if I open the door, those lights don't turn on. But if I want the lights turned on with the door, I'll press this and watch when I open the door. The lights come on and they turn off when I shut. Okay, now you have that. Now if you want to turn on all the lights within the car on the ceiling all around, you just come up here, okay, and press this room button, and look, all the lights come on just like that. All of the lights. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.